Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Kamran Khan Tisori, Governor Sindh and Chancellor, NED University of Engineering and Technology, Mr. Hussain Dawood, Mr. Amirul Islam, Dr. Sarosh Hashmat Lodi, Vice Chancellor, NED University, Dr. Tufail, Mr. Ghazafar Hussain, Senate members, faculty, members of the syndicate, and I see, if I forget somebody, please forgive me for that. I see my teachers, Professor Dr. Saifullah Farooq, Professor Dr. Muzaffar Mahmood, and Dr. Shamsul Haq, faculty members, parents of the graduating students, and most of all, the students who are graduating today, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed an honor to stand here before today. I was initially not coming for this convocation, but then Dr. Sarosh Hashmat Lodi literally raised a gun to my forehead and told me that I have to come here today, so I'm here. Then I didn't want to speak. But then he said, you have to make a short speech. So the problem with us is that somebody has to write a speech for us. Today nobody wrote a speech for me because I wasn't speaking. So what I did was, I asked the technology to assist me. Went to my computer and asked Microsoft Copilot to write a speech for me. And it did write a speech for me, and what I'm reading right now are not my own words, but I've adopted them, and here I go. It's an honor to stand here today at this prestigious institution, my alma mater, NED University of Engineering and Technology. As I look out at all of you, I am filled with immense pride and nostalgia. Your journey from aspiring students to accomplished graduates is a testament to your hard work, perseverance, and dedication. Today is a celebration of your achievements, a milestone marking the culmination of years of study, late nights, and countless challenges overcome. But it is also the beginning of a new chapter, a chapter filled with endless possibilities and opportunities to shape the future. As an alumnus of NED University, I can attest to the quality of education and the strong foundation it provides. The knowledge and skills you have gained here will serve as a bedrock of your professional careers. But beyond the technical expertise, remember the values instilled in you: integrity, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence. In the ever-evolving world of engineering and technology, you are the pioneers of tomorrow. You have the powers to innovate, to create solutions for challenges we face, and to contribute to the growth and development of our nation. Whether you choose to pursue further studies, join the workforce, or start your own ventures, remember that your education has equipped you to excel in any path that you choose. As you earmark on this journey, I encourage you to embrace change, to take risks, and to never stop learning. The world needs your talent, your creativity, and your passion. You have the ability to make a difference, to leave a lasting impact, and to inspire future generations of engineers and technologists. I also want to take a moment to acknowledge and thank your parents, families, and faculty members who have supported you throughout this journey. Their unwavering support and belief in your potential have been instrumental in your success. Graduates, you are the future of our nation. As you step out into the world, carry with you the pride of being an NED graduate, the determination to succeed, and the commitment to contribute to the betterment of society. Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. May your future be filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Remember, the world is yours to shape. Go forth and make us proud. Thank you once again and congratulations to the class of 2024. Thank you very much.